Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for TikTok Creator Fund. So, to sign up for TikTok Creator Fund, follow these steps. First, ensure you meet the criteria. Be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100,000 views, video views in the last 30 days, and be located in a supported country. Now what you're going to do, you're going to launch the app on your mobile device, tap on profile at the bottom right, tap the three horizontal line at the top right corner, and tap on creator tools, and then follow the prompts to apply. And then complete any requirement information and submit. And once approved, you can start earning from your content. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.